Have you ever wondered how you are going to route or integrate many cables into a tiny space without breaking things? Hi, I'm Tom Addy with SV Microwave, and I'm going to show you a solution that will help you fix that dilemma. Introducing SV Microwave's super flexible cable. It is a custom designed Ø.047 coax cable with special materials that make it super flexible. How flexible, you might ask? Think overcooked spaghetti flexible. Allow me to demonstrate the flexibility of standard Ø.047 cable. And now, the SuperFlex Ø.047. As you can see, the force required to bend the SuperFlex cable is much lower. This makes it much easier to route and stuff it into small spaces because it is more flexible. It is less likely to be susceptible to kinking, which would cause electrical degradation or failure. Because SuperFlex isn't as stiff as standard cable, it transfers less force to the connector. Why is that important? It won't pull on the back of your blind mate connectors, such as SMP, SMPM, SMPS, and 38999 contacts. With no force exerted on the back of the contact, will keep it more centered into the port, which is less chance for a mismate. The minimum bend radius of SuperFlex is minuscule, 60 thou. This, in addition to the low force necessary to bend, makes it much easier to route in tight spaces without damaging hardware. SV has designed specific connectors with an advanced solder termination process that limits solder wicking at the back of the connector. This gives the ability to bend the cable right out of the back of the connector without fear of breaking the solder joint or creating an electrical failure. We would love to collaborate with you on your next design and make your mission a successful one. Just give us a call to discuss further. I'll also direct you to our website where you can find the SuperFlex app note and loads of other helpful information.